Happy na nakuha yung panalo. Happy na nakapag-perform yung mga second stringers.
Of course, and for Lena, this is PLDT's second win. So far, how are you feeling about this win and your overall performance?
Of course, I'm happy about the win, but today for me it's not good games, but we win. Yeah.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
Ayan. So, Coach, after po nung win over Creamline, one day or few days to prepare, paano naman po sinigurado na hindi masyadong maki-carried away yung team sa big opening win na yun entering today?
Siguro yung pag-set talaga ng goal namin bago magsimula yung conference na yun nga, mabilis lang yung pagitan, hard games. So hanggat kaya talagang manalo, ikukunin talaga.
And for Lena, in your second game, can you see that you're now more confident in terms of your connection with your teammates and playing here in the PBL again?
Of course, every game we need to stay a little bit better, you know, step by step. And I think after game we will better. Yeah.
We also have Kat Arari here, best player of the game.
Thank you po.
Kat, ano lang masasabi mo sa naging performance nila nakuha nitong second win?
Siguro po kasi masaya kami. Masaya po talaga kami na nagtitraining kasi. Tsaka yung laging sinasabi ng coaches kasi sa amin na yung last game kasi panalo kami. So, magtitraining kami masaya, mag-i-improve kami na masaya. So, walang negativity sa team. So, yun. In-execute lang talaga namin yung pinag-aralan namin sa yung itong game na to.
Kat, ano din masasabi mo dun sa opening win yun na yun against Creamline na yun nga, big win, and paano yun kumbaga nakaangat pa sa team nila lalo entering today?
Dagdag kumpiyansa talaga sa team, lalo na sa akin as a captain. Kasi syempre, yun nga, yung negativity kasi talaga, yun yung isa sa mga hindrance para mag-improve yung team. So magandang start yun sa amin. Tapos yun nga, defending champion sila. So kailangan talaga namin itaas pa yung standard namin as a team. Mag-improve pa kami.
Then now that the team's 2-0 with your help, of course, how would the team try to be better each game? Are there aspects that you're gonna try to focus on more next games, or what's the game plan for moving on?
Of course, we need good concentration, good focus, and we need be better every game.
For you, as a team captain, alam naman heading into this conference, nalaman nyo rin early on na mawawala na isang important player niya si Sabi. Siguro for you, parang na lang in-uplift din yung spirits ng team na yes, sideline niya si Sabi pero kaya din natin ito.
Unang-una po kasi, excuse me, di kami pinabayaan ng coaches talaga. Lahat naman since day one na pagdating ni Lena, talagang tinraining yung bawat isa, pinukpok talaga yung bawat isa. So, given na matagal na din kasi kami magkakasama nila Ate Fiola, yung mga iba, tas late lang din naman si Sav and Lena. So, malaking hindi siya masyadong yung malaking adjustment kasi nga, yun nga, magkakasama kami. And isang sistema lang naman talaga yung parang ina-adapt namin, which is yung kaila coaches.
Coach, kumusta lang yung pakiramdam overall na maganda yung nilalaro ng Team 2-0 na parang nag-click lahat ng laro niyo? Anong pakiramdam sa ngayon?
Siguro pinipilit pa rin talagang i-level lang kasi hindi naman pwedeng maki-hype or makisama dun sa yun nga, yung hype na na-feel ng team. Kailangan talaga i-level lang kasi every game naman, iba-iba naman yung na-offer ng mga kalaban. So marami pa kaming mabibigat na games, lalo yung mga susunod naming ilan pa ba yun? Last 3 games. So wala na rin bigay doon. Talagang i-level lang. Alam naman yung expectations saka yung goal namin, so nakafocus na talaga.
For coach and the players, your next game is against Farm Fresh. So how will this win help you guys heading into that match?
Siguro yung natulong ng game na to, yun nga, naikot natin yung players. So, yung pagod talaga mahirap kalaban eh. So, at least nakapag-perform din yung iba. Lesser effort sa mga naging core. So, yun lang, may maintain lang talaga yung health saka yung condition ng mga players para sa far fresh na game. Fresh ulit kami.
Yun nga, tulad na sabi ni Coach, talaga napaikot naman eh. So, crucial din kasi talaga yung pahinga namin. So, lagi naman kami pinalalahanan ng mga coaches na after training, pahinga. Kung kayang after training, diretso na pahinga agad sa bahay, ganun. Para iwasan na lang din yung mga extracurricular na activities na ginagawa ng iba.
Coach and Kes.
It's the same. Same. Copy-paste.
Thank you, Coach.
Thank you po. Galing mo na sa hanggat ko dyan. Galing mo.
Ready ko siya.
Thank you po.
Coach.